Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Moringa versus spinach. While both are incredibly healthy, they have distinct nutritional profiles. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, boasts more protein and fiber. Spinach, a common kitchen staple, is particularly rich in vitamin K. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best option for your dietary needs and health goals, whether you're adding them to a smoothie or a cooked meal. Delving deeper into their nutrients, Moringa stands out for its complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It also provides a substantial amount of vitamin C, often several times more than oranges. Spinach, on the other hand, is an excellent source of iron, crucial for blood health, and magnesium, important for muscle and nerve function. Both contribute valuable antioxidants to your diet. Regarding health benefits, Moringa is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, potentially aiding in overall wellness. Spinach is well known for promoting strong bones due to its vitamin K content and supporting good vision with its vitamin A. Both greens are versatile in the kitchen. You can easily incorporate them into smoothies, salads, stir-fries, or even baked goods for a nutritional boost. When it comes to practical use, Moringa is frequently found in powder form, making it easy to add to drinks or recipes, or as a supplement. Spinach is readily available fresh in bunches or pre-washed bags, and also frozen, offering convenience and a longer shelf life. Both are fantastic additions to a balanced diet. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.